Hello everyone, it's me ASMR welcoming you to my new tutorials, and today I'm facing a problem. I already submitted some files which is 1 month ago, and Freepik not accepted it. That is the 18 May. So almost 1 month we done that. If you face like that, your file is not approving the Freepik and they are pending in under revision post, what should you do? So let's get started. If you're new in my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the new notifications. So here is option which is the contact option. Just press over there and here new page will appear, and after that here I'm a contributor, and here is some reason, what reason you want to mail the Freepik team. Want to validate my invoice, can't upload my files, when my files will be reviewed. This one is the message or the topic of the mail or this type of objection submission. Okay, fine. Providing over there in this portion, provide your email, and here what you should write over there. So take the date from here, the last date. So I'm copying this one and going to the ChatGPT. So I'm using here the ChatGPT version which is the free one, and just provide there and write down over there, write an email to Freepik support team. My last submission was, so don't hesitate to correct the spelling, was 18 May. It could be like April or whatever. Make sure that the 20 days ago you submitted your file, and after 20 days you can mail it up. 18 May meaning there is no 18 days, just fulfill. So support, okay, team. So I shouldn't correct this one because of ChatGPT will make this. So correct this spelling. I'm just doing this one in a rush, that's why just making the mistake. Okay, press enter. Freepik ChatGPT will write down your email, dear Freepik team. So this one is the too large, so make it short. So in a short version you can do like that. Okay, dear Freepik team, I hope this mail will find you well. I submitted my file on May 18 and I am not yet received any feedback or review status. Could you please provide an update in this status or any reason of the delay? Thank you for your attention, this matter. Okay, just copying this mail, copy over there, and in this portion I'll just paste it out. And after that you can provide your name or the page name, whatever you are just made in a Freepik, the profile name. And here if I press over there, I'm in a robot and send it. Make sure your email address should be over there, which email address you just used in a Freepik contributor account, and just send it out. After sending that, you will get an email from 24 hours, and the Freepik team will solve your problem to how they are making delay, why they are making delay, and the file when they will approve. Everything they will just provide you or will provide you to make how to solve it out. And I just applied this technique to just review my files, and they just accepted all my files. And every 18 days I'm just maintaining this loop or this process, and they are accepting within 2 or 3 days, and you will get lots of support from the Freepik team. So if you have any sort of other questions and queries, you can ask me in my video comment section about the Freepik and the microstock marketplace. So until the next video, ASMR is signing out. Stay safe, stay healthy, keep me in your prayers, and bye bye.